Hello friends, today let us see how to prepare Vazhai poo Vadai or fritters using banana florets. The ingredients are listed here for you and this can make about 20 to 25 bite-sized vadais. This can be an yummy starter or a tea time snack or even a side dish with the lunch recipes like sambar rice and yogurt rice. Take 1 cup Channa Dal and wash it thoroughly and soak it in water for 1 or 1.5 hours. Meanwhile, we can get started cleaning the banana florets by removing the stigma from each of them. This is an important step. Apply oil on both your hands before doing this so that the sap on the banana flower doesn't get on your hands too much. Remove the layers and get all the florets from the flower and remove the stigma from each of the floret. You can easily figure out the stigma as it is very thick compared to the other stamen. The florets tend to change color and become darker over time, so it is helpful to add them into salted buttermilk or water and vinegar solution to keep the color. As you get to the small sized florets, you need not have to remove the stigma from them as they are very tiny and not so thick. Since I got help from my daughter and we could quickly remove all the stigma and clean up the florets, I did not add them in the buttermilk or vinegar solution here. At the end you will get a whole heart like this that can be used as it is. And now the florets are ready for making the vadai. The spices we need are red chilies, curry leaves, fennel seeds, rock salt and asafoetida. First take the banana florets in a mixie jar and grind it into a coarse mixture. You don't need any water for this, you can just pulse it 2 or 3 times, mixing in between. And this need not be fine also, it can be just slightly coarse. Transfer it to a bowl and now let's grind the soaked chana dal. Add the spices first, curry leaves, red chilies, asafoetida and fennel seeds to this. And add the soaked chana dal without water. Drain all the water, just the chana dal needs to be added to the mixie jar. Now add the rock salt to this and grind it into a coarse mixture. Check the consistency here. It is coarse and also thick. So now add this batter to the ground banana florets and mix them together thoroughly. Note that I had soaked my chana dal just for 1 hour and it was soft enough and I could grind it coarsely without water. If you want to speed up the soaking process, you could add even hot water and soak the chana dal before grinding. It is very important that you do not soak more than 1.5 hours as that could give you more oily vadais because the batter could become very watery. Now heat oil in a pan and start making vadais out of the batter as seen here. The oil should be hot enough that you drop the batter and it comes to the surface of the oil quickly. Make sure you pack the batter tightly when you make the vadais like this so that it does not break when you drop inside the hot oil. And do not overcrowd the pan with the vadais. Flip on the other side and cook well. You can flip 2 or 3 times like this until the vadais are well cooked. Make sure that your stove is on medium heat and do not leave it unattended as the vadais could burn. Once the vadais change to golden brown color and the bubbles get reduced, it is a sign that the vadais are ready and well cooked. Do not overcook it as it could get very crunchy. So hot and spicy Vazhai poo vadai is ready now. You can check the texture here. It is crispy from the out and soft from the inside. Hope you and your family also will enjoy this recipe as much as we did. And please do try this and give your feedback in the comment section. Thank you for watching and see you soon again with another video. If you like this, please press the like button, share and subscribe to my channel. Also check out my blog, for which the links are provided in the description section. Thank you.